Hello, my sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, we're going to be doing a review for a product that I just received in the mail, and this is the metallic alcohol ink from a company called Htvront. Now, I was contacted by them and they asked me if I wanted to do a review for them, and they will send me the ink for free. And you guys, you know, I love alcohol ink, so I did reply to them and tell them okay. And I'm doing the review. Although, guys, I did receive the product for free. Quick disclaimer, you know, all thought opinion is going to be my honest review about this product. Now, the company on the box have like everything that they all about, but you can visit them at www.htvront.com, or you can go on Amazon and you'll see their company there as well. Now, once I opened the box, I actually was extremely surprised to see how big the sizes of the bottles are, guys. Those bottles are huge. I'm seriously. I'm going to be doing a comparison between a regular alcohol ink bottle, which we know it always come with like 3.5 ounces, except of the Pinata and Tim Rangers that actually come with like 0.5. But I do not believe I have ever seen a bottle of alcohol ink that have this much alcohol ink in it. And those are like 0.7 ounces. I went and checked the sizes because they were so big. I'm like, this is insane for the price. Now, this box of 6 alcohol inks only $10.99 on Amazon right now, but you know, it's on sale. And guys, I will also have like a discount code for you, so make sure to check the description box below for any of you who are interested of buying this product and save a little bit more money, because I thought it's worth, you know, every penny that you're going to be spending on it. Now, I'm showing you what a regular alcohol ink is versus their bottle. You can see how big the bottle is compared to their ink. And this is the first one was from Let's Resin. This is from like a generic brand that I found on Amazon. You know, I buy from different people all the time. I don't buy brand name all the time because, you know, sometimes people use brand name, but their product most, you know, sometimes it's not that good. But you buy like from a small company, you know, a generic small company, and their product are pretty good. Now, this is the Rangers ink, and this is Let's Resin. I'm showing you how big the Rangers is from Let's Resin, because Let's Resin is 0.35 and the Rangers ink are 0.5, but their bottle are 0.7. So this bottle is huge. So, but we have to test the quality of the ink that's inside the bottle as well. So, you know, first test I'm going to be doing is going to be the paper test. And guys, you know, I love doing that test because not everybody use alcohol ink in resin. Some people use alcohol ink to make like card or make like some design on, you know, a paper and stuff like this. So it have to be for everyone. So I'm just using a regular sketchbook paper. This is the best paper that I can find because it does absorb the moisture in the alcohol ink pretty fast. But I'm just using like a straw to kind of move it a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and let it dry, of course, and then we're gonna see the colors pop out. I'm gonna be showing you the color right now, right after I put the ink on the paper, and then of course we're gonna go and do like a regular test with the alcohol ink mixed with the resin, and then we'll also drop the alcohol ink directly from the bottle in the resin to see, you know, what's the difference is, if there's any difference at all. And then I'll be showing you the paper when it's completely dry to see if the colors stay vibrant. But guys, the colors are so beautiful. Look at that gold. I absolutely love it. Now, I'll say this, the rose gold right now on paper kind of look like rose gold, but once you mix it with resin, it does give a more like an orangey copper color, but except for that, I didn't see anything else. But oh, also the silver and the black gold, they are kind of similar color, with the black gold being a little darker than the silver. The black gold to me is more like a gunpowder silver color, so I wish it had a little bit more gold undertone in it, or maybe the name was supposed to be like, you know, black silver or something like this. But you know, except for that, I didn't see any difference in the color when you add them to paper. But they are beautiful metallic color. I absolutely love them on paper, and I think anybody who buy them to put on paper it will be very, very satisfying. Now we're gonna go ahead on test number 2. I'm just gonna go and drop the alcohol ink directly in the resin and mix it to make our coasters. Now I'm using permanent supply epoxy, and I'm doing 6 cup because we have 6 color. We're gonna go ahead and use them. Now I'll say this: the pearl color for in their boxes, it's very, very sheer, so I went and added a little bit more of the pearl color to give it a little bit more opacity to it, but it's pretty sheer. I mean, it's expected to alcohol ink is pretty sheer in its own, but in mostly metallic alcohol ink are very, very sheer colors. But I will say that the colors look beautiful in resin. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 coasters. I'm gonna do 2 coaster. We're gonna be doing the rose gold and the black the black gold mixed together, and then the other coaster will be doing the dark purple and the pearl mixed together, and then we'll go over each one of them with both the silver and the gold. So it's gonna be a 2 and 2, and then the silver and the gold is gonna be on all of them. All right, guys, so I just went and added my colors. I'm just gonna let you watch this part. I didn't do anything special, and I'm gonna drag the resin just to give it a little bit of shape and interest in it. This is not about the coasters, it's about the ink and the performance of it. So once I finish doing that, I will directly move on to test number 3, and we'll add the resin, the alcohol ink directly in the resin to see, if you're doing like a petri dish or anything like this, if the color is going to stay nice and vibrant, or if the color is just going to drop at the bottom and like this. But we will go ahead and do that. I'm going to let you watch this part, and then I will be right back for the demolding, and we'll take it from there. Alright guys, so we are back. This is the next day and we are ready to demold. I did overspill a little bit too much, but I'm just gonna cut them off with my X-Acto knife and remove the coasters because they're all kind of stuck together right now, but it's no big deal. That's easy fix. And I have to say, I was extremely impressed with the color of the ink, both with the one mixed directly in the resin and the one that I dropped directly in the resin. Now, as you can see, I added a little bit of glitter just for interest because of the piece that I was making, but the inks are extremely beautiful. Although sheer as expected for alcohol ink, but you can see each of the individual color move perfectly beautiful. And the ink, you can see the ink, the silver and the gold that I dropped directly in the ink are way more vibrant than the one that's already mixed in the resin. Now I'm showing you on its own. You can see the color did fade out a little bit in the resin because this one is the dark purple and the pearl with the silver and the gold, and the other one was the rose gold with the black gold and the silver and the gold. Now as I'm showing you right now, when it's mixed in resin, you can see like the color is more like an orangey gold for the rose gold, and the dark purple is more like a very pretty like violet color. But it's because they don't have like a backing on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another test. That's gonna be test number 4, and I'm gonna add black resin on the back of the 2 coasters. So I'm gonna leave 2 sheer and I'm gonna do black on the back of 2 of them to see how the color differ, if anything changed, if the color is gonna still stay kind of sheer looking. So we're gonna mess with that and see that. And guys, don't forget, I already had put glue on the front of my coaster, so that way if any resin dropped, I'm not gonna mess up my beautiful coasters. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the bubble, let them cure overnight, and then we'll come back the next day to show you any type of difference. Now my coasters are completely done, and guys, this is the finished look. Those are the coasters that are completely sheer with no backing on them. Again, you can see the color perfectly fine, very vibrant, very pretty, but extremely sheer, of course. But I'm gonna be showing you the one that have the back on it. You can see the color completely change, how dark the color becomes. So if you want to have the color to be a little bit more deeper or more opaque, make sure you have a dark background to your product or your project. So this one I'm showing you again, the rose gold to me doesn't show as a rose gold. That's the only problem I have. The ink, it's more like a copper or orangey gold color, but it's still a pretty color. Now you can see clearly the difference side by side. You can see one is color is very lighter than the other one, and of course the one that have the back black is a way darker than the other one. And the most difference happened to me with this color, the purple. This is the dark purple and the pearl white with the silver and the gold. And you can see with the one that is don't have any backing is a very pretty pinkish purple color, almost like I'll say more like a violet purple color. But when you add the black back into it, this is when it becomes the dark purple that they mentioned on the box. That's the name of the purple, dark purple. And this is when you have this beautiful dark purple. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it guys. I love all the color by themselves with no back on them, and I also love the color with the backing of the black on them. Now you can clearly see how big of a difference adding the black back to this one particular color. Absolutely gorgeous, completely different colors. That's it, guys. My opinion, honest opinion, guys, you can see the difference in the colors when you add the black onto the back and when you have it sheer. Honest opinion about this product is a hit. go ahead and do yourself a favor, buy yourself this product, because size wise is way bigger than all the other alcohol ink, and performance wise it's really great quality product, guys. I'll have a discount code for you down below, guys. Make sure to check it out and take advantage of it. And guys, that's it for the video. You know the deal, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, be blessed and stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.